Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about pattern and start repeated. So how to pattern 1 to 3 to 4 to 5 to 6 number of quantities is called linear pattern. So when you how to do the linear pattern, so when you enter this new project and here select the space and apply the millimeter and kilogram and next, yes and ok, again add beam and next. Now here open this background, also here uh, this is graphical method. If you want control Z, so it's change and apply the graphical. If you front plane and how to pattern basically, so this is called front plane, and if you make the right plane, so this is called right plane, and click, just make the create in X and Z direction, number of values 4, no, this is here 4 and this is here 5, and make this 4 and 5 and do the OK. It is called linear and OK. So now click this here, and this is called make the linear pattern X and Z direction. And if you make, so default node, we will create default node, and default node is right, and if you make this here, go to plane. This is make the right plane, and here I am selection the 4 and 5, so this is called 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 20, 14. This is called here 5 distance, so 5, 10, 15, just like here. When you go to start the point, so first of all create this point and this point, and also make here and join this. If you are other joint, so when here they start, and same thing is like another, same thing is start from here and joint, and if you other joint is like this point, and if you joint other to this point, and if you joint other to this point. So when you make is here, and if you want I'm going to make the pattern, so like here the linear pattern transitional repeating. Transitional repeat, it means go to continuously repeated from a number of same part. So how to go to mirror here, so when you click also, when look at this number of pattern, this is called here X and Z direction, and go to pattern. So first of all select this pattern repeated, transitional repeated, and when you go to Y direction here, because Z direction is same thing is going, but Y direction is upper way of going. And number of step, we will define number of step, 4 step, 5 step, and between the distance here, if you want to change the distance, so easily change, I think 6 here, and I think 8 here, 7 here. So when you put down this value and go to all geometry, so like all geometry has selected, then go to mirror. But now my axis is Y axis is going on, so first of all click selection is all body here selected, and go to OK. Look at this here again, you see here how to make this diagram. Basically, when you check the position, if you move cursor and check the position, this is a side, this is the front, this is here a right and top, and this and isometric. When you join the value, so click the add beam and join one point to another point, and also joined one point to another point. So it's going to continuously join for every point. Easy to join here. If you check out the front plane, and if you delete this line, so select and go to delete, and yes, in particular joint here, one joint and second joint, same thing, one joint and second joint, and click the right plane, again add joint here, click the add joint, and this point, same thing, click the another plane. So it's mean easily to join from everywhere. So it is working, and how to join for this one. And now we will discuss about to pattern actually. So another way of pattern. So right now we will go to Ctrl Z and pattern here. If you change the default axis and default plane, we will create the default plane here, and now I will go to delete and select new page. So when you go to new page, and yes, space, okay, and okay. Now call this here the value and select the front plane. If you make this point traces here, when you click the traces and joined, and if you anywhere again join, so will you definitely give this particular area in this here. Okay, so this is called again from this part, and going to be pattern. Just click right now. So where is it? Here the transitional repeated linear pattern. Go to linear pattern, and we will just define the x and y and z axis. That's why this is z axis here, this is right, and y and x axis. So when you go to z axis and step number of 3 and between 5 mm distance, and okay, then go to select for every components, and I will do right now. Okay, so when you create the number of pattern is 3 step, you look here, 3 number of step is going to be selected here, and if you come to front of, just click in this geometry, right? So according to node, we will create from this here. So very large I mean very large here, and just zoom on. So look at this node. So it's very easy for pattern this any component. So like that, this type of pattern is very easy to working on anywhere. Go to pattern from this diagram in about the position, and like again, if you want the pattern here, so y direction, and go to number of step here, and okay, then go to select, and again okay. So it is top position is going to be pattern. So when it is very easy to work from here the pattern work. So today has session has been completed.